When you live life in the fast lane, being slowed down by sickness, fatigue, or stress isn't an option. But you can avoid losing speed. Keeping our hands and equipment hygienic is vital to performing at our best. Missing a race can be the difference between winning and losing. As principal partner of Mercedes Formula One, INEOS provides a helping hand in keeping our lives on track. With thousands of dedicated people working behind the scenes, staying hygiene smart is vital. Let's keep it that way and live a life that is stronger and more resilient than ever. INEOS helps us perform at our best, but to live limitlessly, that's in your hands.